In a vote of confidence for the local manufacturing industry, German-based cable and connection technology manufacturer, the Lapp Group, has set up a fully fledged subsidiary in Australia. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Lapp is one of the world's leading providers of branded cable and connector systems and integrated electrical and automation engineering solutions. The newly formed Lapp Australia will give Australian industry speedy access to the full Lapp Group product portfolio, together with expert application support from local engineering staff. Lapp Australia is stocking more than 1,000 market-leading product lines, including cables for power, data and automation applications, all of which can be supplied cut to length with no cutting fees. This development offers a one-stop shop for highly integrated, efficient and reliable systems designed and manufactured to Australian, European and American compliance and quality standards, which are among the most demanding in the world. To find out more, visit lappaustralia.com.au or call them 1800 931 559. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.